Hello everyone, this is Faiz and welcome to my educational YouTube channel. And yes, this is my first vlog here in YouTube. And I decided to make a channel or create a channel in order to help those students who are still struggling with their major subjects, especially microbiology. Yes. In order to help them, especially now guys, we are in pandemic. Napakahirap talaga yung online classes. And yes guys, I'm a registered medical technologist. I passed the licensure examination last March 2018 and I was also a former college instructor at Universidad de Zamboanga, Pagadian. And yes, I hope this video or this channel will help you. Or you will learn something every end of the video. Yun yung importante dun eh. But I cannot promise you guys na ituturo ko lahat sa inyo, no? Because that's too spoon-feeding. So, ang akin lang is additional knowledge. Okay? Additional knowledge lang para sa mga nag-uumapaw yung mga knowledge. So, today guys, I will be discussing microbiology. Anyway, this is my own book. I made this when I was still reviewing. It's handwritten. So, galing to sa iba't ibang microbiology books. Kinumpile ko siya. So, para kasi mas easier sa akin dati mag-aral. Yes, microbiology is a hard subject, but for me during college, it's my favorite subject. Kaya kahit mahirap, pinupush ko talaga siyang aralin. So yun. But during my board exam or during the board exam guys, ang hirap ng micro, my God. Tinake for granted kasi siya. Tinake for granted ko siya kasi favorite ko siya. What's a board exam? Ang hirap. Okay, pass is pass. Let's move on. So yeah, now let's have microbiology. Guys, in every video pala, we have different chapters, okay? Today, the chapter 1 is the introduction to microbiology. So we will be discussing the different branches of microbiology, and the history and discoveries. Probably yun lang muna ngayon. Okay. Now, I have a question. What is microbiology? Uy, that's very familiar question, di ba? Sa first day of class sa microbiology, tanong agad ni ma'am or sir, what is microbiology? Of course, si student, tataas ma'am. Microbiology is the study of microorganism. Of course, it's correct. But again, let's give a not so obvious answer naman. Okay guys, microbiology is a science that deals with the study of microorganisms and their activities. And of course, it also considered their structure, their form, their reproduction, their physiology, their metabolism, and of course, their identification. So, that is microbiology. Hindi lang niya inaaral yung microorganismo mismo, but also their form, their structure, their reproduction, their physiology, and of course their identification, guys. So that is microbiology. We have two branches of microbiology, guys. We have the pure microbiology and the applied microbiology. So what's the difference between the two? So the pure microbiology, guys, that is the microbiology itself. How about pure microbiology? So it links, the pure microbiology, guys, links microbiology to other field. So hindi lang yung microbiology mismo, but it links microbiology to other field or other, okay? To others. It links microbiology to others. So those are the two branches of microbiology. Now let's talk about pure microbiology. Now there are two arrangements under pure microbiology. We have the taxonomic arrangement and we also have the integrative arrangement. Under taxonomic arrangement, guys, we have the bacteriology, mycology, protozoology, phycology, parasitology, immunology, and virology. On the other hand, the integrative arrangement, these are microbial cytology, microbial physiology, microbial ecology, microbial genetics, cellular microbiology, revolutionary microbiology, generation microbiology, systems microbiology, and the molecular microbiology. So those are the two arrangement under pure microbiology. Now guys, let's have the applied microbiology. So what are under applied microbiology? We have the medical microbiology, pharmaceutical microbiology, industrial microbiology, food microbiology, agricultural microbiology, veterinary microbiology, environmental microbiology, water microbiology, and the microbial biotechnology. So guys, those are under applied microbiologies. So we are done with the two branches of microbiology. Yun lang, the pure and applied at yung mga under doon, okay? Okay lang naman guys, hindi nyo siya i-memorize. Hindi naman siya lumalabas sa board exam, but I just want you to know na yun yung mga branches ng microbiology, okay? And now, guys, we will have the history or the discoveries in microbiology. So, dito guys, pag-uusapan natin yung mga taong importante sa larangan ng microbiology, okay? There are a lot of people, scientists, okay, rather, na very important sa microbiology. But guys, I will not give you everything about those scientists. Ang dami kasi, but ang ibibigay ko lang sa inyo, 4 because they are just my 4 favorites. Okay, joke lang. So, 4 lang guys, kasi sila lang naman yung pinaka-common sa microbiology. You're always nating na-encounter sa microbiology. So, first person or first scientist na pinaka-importante sa larangan ng microbiology, we have Anton van Leeuwenhoek or Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Okay. Nasa yun na yan kung paano mo siya i-pronounce, okay? Anton van Leeuwenhoek, guys. Very familiar, right? Since high school, sa biology, alam na natin yan. Van Leeuwenhoek considered to be the first true microbiologist. Yes, siya ang tinagoy ang pinakaunang totoong microbiologist, okay? He's considered to be the first true microbiologist. Aside from that, he's the father of protozoology and bacteriology. So, never forget that. He's the father of protozoology and bacteriology. And ito na, he is a Dutch maker of microscope. Yes, because he invented the first practical microscope. So, iba yun ha, yung practical microscope na na-invent niya, iba yun sa na-invent ni Zacharias Janssen na light microscope, iba yun. So, yung kay Anton van Leeuwenhoek na practical microscope, he was using a tiny lenses para matignan or makakita ng mga microorganisms. Now, pinaka-importante pang na-discover niya sa microbiology, guys, Okay, guys, he was the one who named the 3 types of bacteria. Now, without looking at your notes or, just your knowledge or just your stock knowledge, what are 3 types of bacteria nga? Yes, we have the cocci, bacilli, and the spirilla. Yes, guys. Okay, it's all about Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Again, guys, if you want a deeper understanding or deeper knowledge about Anton van Leeuwenhoek, you can do your research or you can read your Baylis and Scott's Moraletta or yung book ni Doc Rodriguez. Yes, yung sa microbiology, kumplitin po yun. So, you can read, guys, books na microbiology para if gusto nyo naman further understanding or further knowledge about this scientist. Yung akin lang, yung bibigay ko lang is yung simple lang. Or yung bibigay ko lang, ang akin lang guys, ang bibigay ko is yung importanteng naging ambag nila. Okay? Or pinaka-common na naging ambag nila. So, that's the first scientist. Now, let's proceed to the second one. The second is Louis Pasteur. Very familiar? Yes. Bakit? Sa apelyido pa lang guys, we know. Pasteurization. Louis Pasteur, guys, is the father of microbiology. Bakit siya tinawag na father of microbiology? Because, guys, he founded the science of microbiology. And aside from that, guys, he is also the father of immunology. I think he's the father of all the fathers. Joke. So, yes, guys. So, yun. And let's proceed to his discoveries. Ito, marami siyang discoveries eh. Pero bibigay ko lang sa inyo yung pinakalima na common. First, guys, he discovered the germ theory of disease. Germ theory of disease. Now, again, hindi ko na siya i-elaborate deeper. Yun lang. He discovered the germ theory of disease. If you want to know about germ theory of disease, then read your books, okay? Yan. Second, guys, he discovered hindi na-discover, siya yung gumawa ng anthrax research, okay? If we heard the word anthrax, di ba ang nasa isip natin is Robert Koch, di ba? But guys, may difference ha, big difference. Kasi Robert Koch discovered the causative agent of the anthrax, which is later on, i-discuss natin. On the other hand, Louis Pasteur, siya yung nagsimula ng research about anthrax, okay? He discovered, or hindi term discovered, basta siya yung sa anthrax research. Next, guys, is he discovered rabies vaccine or rabies vaccine. Yes, guys, siya yung nakadiscover niyan. Thanks to Louis Pasteur. Kasi kung walang rabies vaccine, magtinga yung the girl. Joke lang. Okay, guys? So, yun. Then, the fourth one, he improved the winemaking process through what? So, ano yung dalawang na-discover niya para makapagpa-improve ng winemaking process? Yes, we have the fermentation and the famous pasteurization. Again, hindi ko na yan i-discuss because yung pasteurization, madi-discuss natin yan further pa, okay? Sa mga next discussions pa natin soon. And lastly, guys, he disproved niya yung theory of spontaneous generation. So, again, if you want to learn more about this theory, then research or read your books, okay? Yun lang. Ang akin lang is yung mga na-discover or yung mga important na naging ambag ng mga scientists na to. Okay, let's have a recap for Louis Pasteur. Again, he's the father of microbiology because he founded the science of microbiology. He's the father of immunology. He discovered the germ theory of disease. He also did the anthrax research and discovered the rabies vaccine or rabies vaccine. He also improved the winemaking process through fermentation and pasteurization. And lastly, it is proof the theory of spontaneous generation. Okay, that's all about Louis Pasteur. Next, guys, is Ferdinand Julius Kohn. Okay, Ferdinand Julius Kohn, guys. He discovered that there are certain type of bacteria that could withstand series of heating and boiling. Why? Because of their heat-resistant structure known as... Okay, before that, let's have a review. Or let's have review nga. So, naalala nyo pa ba kung ano yung unique na meron yung mga heat-resistant bacteria? Ano yung structure na meron sa kanila na nakakapagpakaya sa kanila na mag-withstand sa series of heating and boiling? Yes, that is endospore. So in short, Ferdinand Julius Kohn discovered endospore. So yun lang about kay Ferdinand Julius Kohn. Again, meron pa siyang ibang discoveries, but yun lang yung para sa akin, yung pinaka-importante sa kanya. And now guys, lastly, we have Robert Koch. Siyempre kanina, nasabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Yung difference, or yung para ugnayan nila ni Louis Pasteur. Okay, but before that, I want you to know that Robert Koch is the father of medical microbiology. Now guys, don't get confused ha. Kanina ang father ng bacteriology is Anton van Leeuwenhoek. The father of microbiology is Louis Pasteur. Now, the father of medical microbiology is Robert Koch. Okay, yun. Huwag kayong ma-confuse, okay? So, Robert Koch guys is siya yung pinaka-common eh. Pag sa microbiology, always natin na-encounter si Robert Koch. Aside from Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, very familiar, very common, di ba? Kasi bakit? Because siya lang naman yung nakadiscover ng causative agent of anthrax. Di ba kanina, Louis Pasteur, siya lang yung sa research, or siya yung unang nakapag-research about anthrax. Pero that time, hindi niya pa alam kung ano yung causative agent ng anthrax. But now, si Robert Koch, na-discover niya yung causative agent ng anthrax, which is the Bacillus anthracis. Very good. Aside from that, he also discovered the causative agent of pulmonary tuberculosis. Ano nga yun? Yes, it is the Mycobacterium tuberculosis or the MTB. So yun lang guys. Yun lang naman yung pinaka-importante na naging ambag ni Robert Koch. Again, maybe sa other books, marami pa siyang mga iambag, but yun yung pinaka-common. Yung that he was the father, or he's the father of medical microbiology. He discovered Bacillus anthracis and Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So yun lang guys. Sa ngayon, yun lang muna yung i-discuss natin. Sa next chapter or next video, probably guys, doon na yung medyo mahirap-hirap na part na. Kasi doon na tayo mag-focus sa mga bacteria. Yung mga structure nila, mga cell structure ng bacteria, yung types of bacteria, types of staining, and everything. So, I hope you learned something. And, yeah.